Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Attentive for SMS marketing in e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Attentive for SMS marketing in e-commerce, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Attentive and press enter. Once the Attentive homepage loads, locate the login button, often found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to redirect you to the login screen. On the login screen, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your login credentials, review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Attentive dashboard. In case you encounter any issues, check for error messages that may indicate what went wrong. If you need to reset your password, follow the prompts provided after clicking the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address again and check your inbox for a password reset email. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page and repeat the login process with your new credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the features available for SMS marketing and e-commerce integration. This concludes the login process for Attentive for SMS marketing in e-commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.